Hey YouTube, Midwest Picker here. Alright, we're going to do a second chance drawing for the 500 subscriber giveaway prize. The winner did not contact me, so I've been checking my email, inbox, spam folder, the trash folder, no email, Instagram, no message. So we're going to go to the laptop and I'm going to draw a new winner, and this winner hopefully will contact me, hopefully within like 48 hours, and contact me on what you need to do to win, because I have to verify that you are who you are, and I'll give you the instructions, and then we'll ship off this item here. I'll put pictures up here, the autographed Enderman and the Morgan silver dollar. So before I get to that, I did want to mention another milestone. My YouTube channel did hit 20,000 views, and I'll put a picture up here, and that's really exciting. That's a lifetime view count. So since I started the channel, which I think was back in 2007, I think, or 2008, when YouTube was pretty new, I started my channel. And for total transparency, over 5,000 of those views is one video. I have a dodgeball video that kind of went viral, so that's up to like 5,100 views. So out of the 20,000, a huge chunk is just a dodgeball video. You know, it's not anything to do with reselling at all, so that's kind of funny. I'm also on a weight loss journey. I have gained a lot of weight. My weight, I won't tell you what it is, but it peaked pretty high, basically because I eat like a teenager, and I'm 54 years old and I can't do that. So I'm just eating more sensible, clean food, healthy food in smaller portions. I've already lost 5 or 6 pounds and have kept it off. So if you notice me getting a little thinner over time, that's why. And maybe I'll track my weight and put it up here and tell you what my current weight is, but who knows, maybe the next video we'll do that little weight diary. So let's hop over to the laptop and we're going to pick a new winner. All right, this is Midwest Picker's YouTube page, and you can see my new logo I got from a mysterious person. Whoa, we're really out of focus. I don't think you care about this part, but we're going to the video, episode 71, the 500 subscriber giveaway. So we're going to get shareable link, and we're going to go to the website and plug that in over here. Filter duplicate users, filter comments based on a specific text, the word wow. Get comments. 49. So a few people have commented since the original giveaway, and we're going to pick a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Here we go. You don't get a chicken dinner, but you get something better than that. And the winner is Chris Savage. Wow, that's awesome. I love watching your videos, friend. So congratulations to Chris Savage. You are the winner of the Morgan silver dollar and the autographed Enderman. Okay, congratulations to the winner. That's a really cool last name, by the way. I like that. It's kind of like Magnum, stainless steel, Savage. Pretty cool. So Christopher Savage, if that's your real name, you have to contact me by email, and that's down below in the description. And I will check my spam filter and all that to make sure I didn't miss your email. Or you can contact me on Instagram. Either way, I will tell you how to verify your identity, and then we'll get your address and we'll get that shipped out to you. So thanks again to the YouTube family for 20,000 views. Thanks again for the 500 subs. I'm up to 552. I just continue to grow slowly. And if you're new to this channel, I'm part-time. I'm a full-time nurse, full-time dad, full-time husband, but I do this part-time reselling, part-time YouTube content creator. I just got the itch so bad. It was nice and warm today in West Michigan. Flea market season is right around the corner. Estate sales have just started really kicking up a lot, so not garage sales yet, but I just really can't wait to get out there. So thanks again, YouTube family. Hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. Comment down below anything you want to see. I've done a lot of how-to videos, or if you have any questions, shoot your questions down in the comments. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Super short video. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.